You mean what happens to the urine as it comes in? Okay, so here, let's say this is incoming. This is yeah.
And then the
So I'm
gastric
thinking that this is the interlobular. Where the heck are you? So they changed the name. This is how I learned it. Is the interlobular wherever it went to? Where is this thing? Yeah, it's the interlobular.
And then this is the
they don't call it the interlobular anymore. They call it the cortical radius artery. So I don't know what he wants to go by.
Then the inferior is the
These are the two here. So whichever one is appropriate, I don't know. But then there's arcuate, and then there's the interlobar and the segmental. So this guy right here, since we're calling this the arcuate, then this has got to be the interlobar, and then beyond that would be the segmental then. So incoming urine or incoming blood comes in via the afferent arteriole, goes into this glomerulus, which is that knot of capillaries there, and efferent arteriole is this one right here. So then urine is formed. This is kind of weird trying to follow this guy along, but let's say that this is incoming. So this is going to be the proximal convoluted tubule here. And the proximal convoluted tubule, this guy doesn't have a loop of Henle, so you don't want to use him, I guess. Does he? Yeah, right. But this guy doesn't have one. They took him off. So incoming. So then we've got proximal convoluted tubule, this guy right here. I guess this is all part of him. And then, okay, then descending limb of the loop of Henle, ascending limb of the loop of Henle. This should be the distal convoluted tubule, this whole guy like right here. And then collecting duct and papillary duct down here, and then eventually down to the...
Now, how can you tell the difference between a distal and a proximal convoluted tubule?
Well, you got to see where they're coming from. So if this is where the urine's coming in, or the blood's coming in, then on the other side is where the tubules start. So incoming here, blood comes, brings it in, and the filtrate happens here, and so this has got to be the side where all of that stuff's taking place. So this is where the proximal convoluted tubule starts, right here, just at the other side of this guy, right here. So then you follow that guy along as best you can, like this, watch it go around, and then when it starts to make its turn down, then it becomes the descending limb of the loop of Henle. When it makes its corner, then it's the ascending limb of the loop of Henle, and then it makes, this becomes the distal convoluted tubule here, and then it, when it enters into here, this is collecting duct here. So then it just proceeds out. By the time it gets to here, down the end of here, then it's as concentrated, or it's urine by the time it gets down to here, and there's nothing else much going to happen with it. Yeah. This is older than the hills.
Yeah, it looks like it.